Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2014 Mazda 3 Touring. The engine air filter requires only a little effort to change. Accessing the fuses in the engine bay is very easy and allows you to troubleshoot electrical problems quickly. The components of the spare tire are located in the trunk behind a few designated panels. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. In order to check the transmission fluid dipstick, you will need to remove the air filter housing. This can prove to be a complicated procedure, making it difficult to check the transmission fluid on a consistent basis. To replace the headlights, you'll need to peel back the wheel well lining on this vehicle. While this only requires a few tools, the lining and fasteners over time can become more difficult to remove. To set the clock, you will have to navigate through the menu, which does not have the most straightforward route to the clock settings. While this car had a few difficult repairs, we found that fixing the 2014 Mazda Touring was an easy and enjoyable process.